how to download Bloxstrap in 2025. So if you want to download Bloxstrap in 2025, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, here you need to search for Bloxstrap. Once you've searched for it, now here you will have bloxstrap.org/download. You need to click on it, and you will have the website. So from here, you need to just go with download Bloxstrap and you'll be able to download it. Or you can also go with the official website, which is right here, bloxstrap.com. Click on it, which will take you to the official website. And you'll need to have some system requirements. After that, as you can see that here you will have the version and then the file size, the latest update. Just go with download. Once you click on download, it will start the downloading process. You need to go with the downloads, which will be in the top right. Go with the three dots, go with downloads, and here you will have the downloaded file that you've just downloaded. Once you have your downloaded file, you can just double click on the file and it will start the installation process. So from here, you'll be able to download the Bloxstrap, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.